Good morning, good morning, good morning, people of the internet. Today is Wednesday. We have a couple of 100% runners. Well, was a couple of hundred, but yeah, we do. We still do. We're gonna be looking at ITRM, CTIC, ALNA, NNDM, YJ, SEEL. These are the ones I'm gonna be having a close eye look at this morning. It wasn't a very good day. Monday, I couldn't figure it out. Couldn't figure out the puzzle. Couldn't figure out how to trade them things. These things, I should say. NNDM. Is it? Actually, to break it back up over this, I want to get in right here on NNDM for the break of 263. $200 at limit. 263. Oh, I guess it's a stop. It's a limit. 263. Dude, I can't. I gotta get in like this. I mean, what? And $280. I'm going half out on $280. But they're trying to keep it down, so I might have to flatten out right here. But my goal is up here close to $280. Let's see if it can hold, if it can get back over. Alright, so it looks like this is going to be a failed attempt. And I'm out. It's $12 out the home. But I'm thinking if it can get back, what? I'm back in there right there. Yeah, maybe I should have just went on and stayed out of this thing. It is not being very cooperative right now at the moment. Man, I think I need to go and get it out right here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get out right there. I'm not gonna play around with that like that. So look for something else. It's the time to get in. The break of here. Let's see here. Alright. And that's the break. These are the breaks. And I said I was going to get in there for a quick 10 cent. Going up. And come down and touch VWAP. I'm in there again. Oh, that might be a bad. If this end like this, is gonna be bad. Yeah, that's gonna be bad. This is what you call chasing. This is what you call chasing. I'm out right there for a $9. What the? Yeah, I'm chasing. I'm chasing like a son of a gun right now. Buddy, I am chasing. Actually, I am chasing. It's doing that. Yep, that's why I got out. I said I'm chasing. I realized I missed this move right here, and there's a reason why I said I was gonna get in right here. But then I got right here for the break of the new high. It came down. I got out because I was like, yo, that's chasing, and then it broke a new high again. I got back in, and now it's down again. Of course, that is chasing as well. Come on, touch it and go up. Go down. I need you to go down. Go down. You know, yeah, right there. And is it gonna close down there? Is the question. 5 minutes left. Fight children. I'm out. Well, and then it might go up. I don't know. There's 3 losses in a row. $7 on this one, $18 on that one, $17 on that one. I'm done for today. They won huge losses, like the one yesterday, but added up, they still stung, you know. Anyway, so I'm gonna be done with this for today. Again, another red trade day. My goal was to get in there right here for the close of that candle. Why I did? Okay, so I got in there to close of that candle and put me over here on this minute, but then it just well, it sucks, obvious. I missed a couple of plays today, but I'm not mad. I limited my risk, and therefore the $52, really $42 overall. I mean $52 overall, but 42, you know. Well, back to the drawing board, I guess. Yeah, I gotta figure out. I mean, the market has changed yet again. After I got used to the way it was, it changed once again. I'm gonna wrap it up right there, and the rest of y'all have a good morning. I'm gonna go look at a couple of charts. Look at what I got out at on some of my losses, and I mean, I did break one. I did chase on this one that was right here. It went up. I was mad because I missed this mark right here when I tried to get in right here with 200 shares. Could get in there, then I couldn't even get in there with 100 shares because F1 said my buying power don't have enough buying power, which is dumb to me. So I missed it right here for a 40-cent gain. That's $40, you know.